everyone, so in this video I would like to explain about lesson plan, which is a use problem-based learning model. So in this lesson plan is for 10th grade in senior high school student, and the material is about explanation text with time allotment is 2 times 45 minutes. The learning media that teacher need to use is a video. This is the link of the video, pictures, laptop, and LCD. And then move to the learning activities. So the first learning activity is pre-activity. In pre-activity, teacher grades student, leads student to pray, checks students' attendance, and shows student pictures of flag. This is the picture of flag. So after that, teacher asks student, do you know what picture is this? And because of that, automatically there are many students that answer the question and get involved in the learning activity. After that, teacher asks, do you know why this disaster happened? After that, teacher gives motivation by telling students, so I know most of you have read explanation text, right? What did you get from the text? And then teacher tells student that the purpose of studying explanation text. That is the pre-activity. Then let's move to the main activity. So the first step in main activity is stimulation. In stimulation, teacher shows video of flood. This is the link of the video. After showing the video, teacher lets student read an explanation text that show in the LCD and analyze the text with students by explaining where is the general structure, language features, and the purpose of text. After that, teacher asks student understanding by doing question and answer. That is the stimulation, and the next step is problem statement. In problem statement, teacher asks student to form a small group which consists 4 students. After that, teacher gives students an explanation text as a material for students' discussion. The next step is data collection. In data collection, all of the students read the explanation text. Each team analyze and make a discussion about the generic structure of explanation text and the information such as main idea and the purpose of the text. That is the task 1. After that, after finish the task 1, student in group organized a random paragraphs into a sequential explanation text. The correct order. After that is the develop and present step. In this step, teacher checks every group works and helps them if there is something they still don't understand about the text. And teacher asks one representation to write down the answer on the board. After that, teacher gives a change to every student who has a different answer to also write down their answer on the board. After that, move to the next step is analyze and evaluate. In this step, teacher makes class discussion while checking students' answer on the board. And then, teacher corrects students' wrong answer and gives explanation about how to find the right answer of the problem. So that is about the main activity. So the next one is post-activity. In post-activity, teacher asks students the difficulties or the problem that they have in the learning activity. And then teacher and students, after knowing the difficulties, teacher will give the feedback, the explanation, or re-explain about the material to make students more understand. After that, teacher and student make the learning conclusion. And teacher gives student a homework that have a relation with explanation text, that is write an explanation text about disaster. After that, teacher closed the learning activity by prayer. So that is the learning activity of the lesson plan, and then move into the discussion. So problem-based learning set a problem as a keyword in the learning activity. In the pre-activity, teacher give motivation to students for increasing students' interest in learning process. In the beginning, in the beginning activity, teacher shows student a picture of flood and asks several questions to make student can be imagine what material that they will learn or that will be given by the teacher. After that, teacher choose flood because most of students must already knew about that disaster. After show student the picture of flood, teacher lets student read the explanation text and analyze the text with students. Therefore, student will know where is the generic structure, language features, and the purpose of the text. To make student more understand about the material, teacher asks student to form a group and gives each group a problem to be solved. After they discuss the problem, teacher will check each group's answer and giving the feedback. So that is the lesson plan about explanation text, which is a use problem-based learning model. So thank you for your attention. See you.